Welcome. If you're someone who loves saving inspiration on Pinterest but finds the constant in-app mention notifications a little too distracting, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off those in-app mention notifications for your saved pins so you can keep your focus where it matters most. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where all your saved pins and boards live. Next, look for the Settings menu. Tap on the profile picture again at the top. This opens up a menu with several options. From here, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can control what Pinterest alerts you about. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Pins You Saved. Under this section, you'll find an option called Mentions. Tap on Mentions to open up the notification preferences specifically for when someone mentions you on a pin you've saved. Here's the important part. Under How do you want to be notified, you'll see a toggle switch for the in-app option. If this switch is turned on, Pinterest will send you notifications inside the app every time someone mentions you. To turn these notifications off, simply tap the toggle so it's no longer highlighted. That's it. You've just disabled in-app mention notifications for your saved pins. From now on, you won't get interrupted by mention alerts while you're browsing Pinterest or working on your latest project. If you ever change your mind and want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to on. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more tips to make your Pinterest experience even better.